If you are thinking how to apply for ECA from WES, I will walk you through the whole process with very easy steps. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I help people to apply for Canada immigration without any agent so that you can save a huge amount of your hard work. To start the application, get your passport, your educational documents, and let's hop to my computer screen. So guys, go on Google and type here WES Canada. It will take you to the WES official website wes.org. Click on here and you will be on WES website. Guys, make sure here it should be WES Canada. Sometimes it's United States, so change it to Canada and get started. Choose Canada here and you are here. Guys, if you are applying for Agri-Food Pilot Program, definitely select this. Otherwise, for Express Entry and PNP program, you need to apply ECA application for IRCC Start application, and you will be at account creation page here. So guys, go ahead and fill this form, your first name, last name, date of birth. Do you have WES reference number? Right now we don't, so we will say no. Your email address, password, a security question. So guys, please remember or note down this information somewhere because you will need it later on to log in your account again, and click on create account. So now you are on your personal information page. Fill out your all the rest personal information like your gender and your mailing address, and choose others for the country. If you are not from US or Canada, fill out your phone number, and here your login information from your account creation and click on next. So now it is your education. Here you need to tell about your education. So you can check document requirements according to your master degree or bachelor degree here. So click on required documents if you want to check, and it will take you on this page. Fill out this form like choose equivalency country is Canada, applying for IRCC yes, country of education, status of education complete, status of type of education university education, which of these apply bachelor degree program, name of your institution and name of the diploma, and click on view requirement page. So here you will know like what kind of document you need. Go down here, so you need your degree certification. You know what kind of degree certificate we get at the end of the degree, and your mark sheets where there's a detailed information about your every semester and everything. And after that you need a form here, academic record request form. So you need to send these three things to the WES for your assessment. Now go on main page again and click on add credential to add your education here. So guys, go ahead and fill this form here. Again, your country of education, type of education, which of these you apply, name of institute, name of certificate, your given name, your last name, field of studies, which year you got your degree, and from which year to which year you participated in degree. So guys, when you are writing your name here, write the same name as your it appears on your credentials. But in the personal information form, I recommend to fill out your name according to your passport, whatever it is in passport. And if you have different name, little bit different on your passport and credential, put an affidavit to explain that why your name is different and you are the same person. So go ahead and click on save. So here you have one degree added like University of Delhi, Bachelor of Computer Science, and you got this added. If you have more than 2 credentials to assess, click again on add another credential, fill out that same form again, and that will be done. So now click on next. Now you are at reports recipients. So here one recipient is you, like your mailing address here, another one is IRCC. If you want to add more, you can click on add recipients, otherwise click on next. So here is your evaluation type. Primary purpose of your evaluation is immigration. Processing time 35 business days. So guys, these days some of my friend got only in 15 or 16 business days, is depend on your case. And available evaluation package, you can go here. ECA report provided to you PDF, ECA report accessible by IRCC, official paper report. You will get electronic storage of your report to verify transcripts for future use. So this is your package and the price is $220 here. Now click on next. Delivery option. So guys, there is a two delivery option. First is standard mail, which cost only $10. So it is slow system, no tracking. If you want fast track, you can click on this one. Is an international courier and it's a fast service, and click on it. It's totally up to you which one you want to choose. It's a slow one and the fast one, so I chose fast one. And now you can click on next. Required documents. So all document listed below must be sent to WES for your evaluation report. So here guys, your all document need to send by your university or college. You cannot send them by yourself. So here is the required document checklist again, and all we need for second step, download this form. So we're gonna click on this and we can save this form here. Let's go back to main page for this first and go ahead. Here is the address where you need to post this application. Note down this, and you should have WES reference number which you will get later on. So you need to put that WES number here, and this is the address to send your courier and delivery there, and click on next. So here is a review of your application. Just check your first name, second name. So please review your whole information here, your date of birth and your address, everything. Primary purpose is immigration, and your education here, and your evaluation cost here $220, and your information like one recipient is person, main applicant, and then IRCC. And now guys, you got total price of $305, in which $220 is evaluation fees and $85 is the courier fees. So now acknowledge here everything, like click I authorize US to verify my documents, I certify this and this and this. So you need to get all the agreements and click on next. Please confirm your name and date of birth. So again, check your personal information and click here yes, I confirmed, and click on confirm. So now they are asking for HST tax, but if you are non-resident of Canada, so you will click this I'm not a resident of Canada and click on continue. So here is a summary of your payment, like $85 for your courier and $220 for your assessment and $0 for your HST because you are not a Canadian resident. Choose the method of your payment. I will choose credit card and click on submit. So now we are at billing information form. Guys, this 7-digit number here is your WES reference number. Please make sure to note down this number somewhere. You need this number to send your documents to WES. You need to put this on envelope and all the pages, all the document inside the envelope. You need this number to fill in your express entry profile, and in future use if you want to use this number somewhere else. So make sure note down it somewhere. After filling this whole information here, click on submit payment button. After submitting the payment, it will give you a confirmation of submitting. Now we're gonna move to the next step, which is we need to fill this academic records request form. So guys, we need to fill out only a part of this form. You need to write your VES reference number here and all other information. Make sure you signature here, sign here the application and put the date here. After that, leave this blank for your university. So after filling this form, guys, submit this form to the university and request them to put your academic records in a sealed envelope with institution stamp or seal on the back flap. As you can see in this example, university seal here and the signature from the university official. Guys, make sure your document must be sent to the VES by the university. But in case if they refuse to do that, you should go to the nearby post office and post that documents by yourself. Why I am saying the nearby post office? Because the postal code should be the same with university. So guys, VES has a new option now in which VES started accepting the documents electronically. The next video is coming very soon on how to apply for ECA from VES online. After receiving your ECA report, guys, you need to create an express entry profile so that you can get into the pool to get PR in Canada. If you are not sure how to create an express entry profile, there's a link in the description below and on your screen. It will help you to create an express entry profile by yourself so you can save a lots of money. See you soon, guys. Till then, stay positive, stay happy. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon to get more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.